Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be a review on Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. I have tried and love her liquid lipstick. I haven't tried her other products before, so if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. I prime my skin. So for eyeshadow palette, I have is Confident Energy palette. This is the palette, how it looks like, and I'm gonna open it right now. So this palette, it has all shimmery shades. So pretty, right? So since this palette has all shimmery shades and I have no matte shades at all, I'm just gonna use a regular bronzer right now and apply it onto my crease. I'm gonna take any bronzer. I'm taking a bronzer right here, and I'm gonna take, this is my crease brush, and it's gonna go onto my crease. I have my shader brush, so I'm going to use this green shade right here. It looks so pretty. Oh, I'm gonna swatch it right now so you guys can see how pigmented the green shade is. This is the green shimmer shade. Oh, look at how pretty it is. I don't have an eyeliner, but I do have a mascara. So I have is the Perfect Strokes mascara. This is it. This is the Perfect Strokes mascara. Okay, so now for foundation, I have is the Liquid Touch Weightless foundation. This is her newest foundation, the Weightless foundation, and I have mine in the shade 210N. So it's one of those wand foundations. using my sponge. So I didn't have a concealer, so I did that off camera. Now we are moving into bronzer. So I have a bronzer stick and it is called Warm Wishes Effortless Bronzer Stick. So this is the bronzer stick, how it looks like. And I have it in the shade Happy Soul. So this is the Happy Soul Warmless Effortless Bronzer Stick in the shade Happy Soul. And I'm going to take my sponge and just like blend it out. Now I have is the Soul Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush. This is the Dewy Liquid Blush. And I have it in the shade Hope. This is the shade Hope. I'm going to swatch it right now. So this is the shade Hope, the Dewy Liquid Blush. So liquid blushes are very pigmented and this is very pigmented. So I'm just going to make a dot. Just like that. Then I'm going to take my sponge, just like blend it out. Lastly, for the lips, I have is the Souffle Matte Lip Cream. This is it. And this one, I have it in the shade Transform. So I'm going to swatch it. Okay, so this is the shade Transform. It's a beautiful red shade. My honest review about Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. So I'm going to talk about each one, which one I like, which one I don't like. So the first product is the eyeshadow palette. This one is great. I really love the colors of this eyeshadow palette, all these shimmery shades. But next time I feel that Selena should should have like matte shades in her eyeshadow palette. It's all shimmery shades. I love the shimmery shades. It was very pigmented, I love it. The formula is very high quality, which I love. But next time I feel that Selena should have matte shades in her eyeshadow palette. So that's the only thing I didn't really like about her eyeshadow palette. So the next is the mascara. So the mascara, the Perfect Strokes mascara. This mascara I love. The thing I liked about this mascara that it volumizes the lashes well, like making it look like I have falsies on, which I don't. I love how it created volume to my. Okay, now for her foundation, the Liquid Touch Weightless foundation. This one is in 210 and I love it. This foundation is amazing. So the formula of this foundation, it is weightless. It is very lightweight but very full coverage. This is a full coverage foundation, which applying 2 layers of it does the job well. It is full coverage. I love the way it made my skin look. My skin looks so beautiful with these 2 layers. It's amazing. And when I applied 2 layers of this, my face didn't feel cakey at all. They did tell the truth. It is a weightless foundation. I loved it, and I love the formula of it. It is a dewy weightless foundation that is full coverage. It did the job well, perfectly, and I love this. Now the bronzer stick. This bronzer stick was great. The thing about this bronzer stick, it is perfect for contouring, and it is very pigmented. It wasn't streaky at all. It's very pigmented. This is a pigmented bronzer, and blending it with a sponge did it perfectly. I love the way it made me have color to my skin. The bronzer, I really like it. It is amazing, very pigmented, and I have no complaints about this bronzer. Okay, now the liquid blush. So this liquid blush in the shade Hope was the perfect shade. I really liked it. So a little bit goes a long way because this is very pigmented. It is a super pigmented liquid blush. So you just apply like 2 dots right here and blend it out with a sponge, and it blends out perfectly. You can see the color right here and right here. I love it. It made me have color on my skin. I really like it. I really like the shade of it, Hope. It is a perfect shade. Lastly, for the lips, her Souffle matte lip cream. I really love it. The first thing about it, it is long wearing, so you can eat and drink, it won't come off your lip. And second, it is very hydrating and creamy on your lips. So if you have dry lips, you will not have a problem with it because it will hydrate your lips. And I love the shade that I picked. It is so beautiful and it's great for the holidays now. The moment you've been waiting for. Do I feel that Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez, her makeup line, is worth it? Yes, it is worth it because I have no complaints about her entire makeup line. I have no complaints. Everything was pigmented. Everything did the job well. But the only thing I didn't really like is her eyeshadow palette. As I was explaining to you, that everything was shimmer shades. So hopefully in the future, in her next eyeshadow palette, she will add matte shades. But overall, everything else I really like. They did the job well. I have no complaints about it. So I feel that I highly recommend for everyone to try Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez, her makeup line, because her makeup line is amazing, it's gorgeous, and your skin will look beautiful just like this. So I really like it, so I suggest you to get her line at Sephora. Her entire line, Rare Beauty line, is sold at Sephora. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review of Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. If you like this review, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.